wasn't feeling that well. But anyways, I did 4 days, and we made What's good, y'all? It's Exclusive here with another trucking video. I didn't really have much time to do too much vlogging this week. So, instead I'm going to give you guys a recap of my week. I only worked 4 days this week, but I still, I had a rough start of the week. I was off Sunday, wasn't feeling that well. But anyways, I did 4 days, and we grossed $1,700 off of those 4 days with 1,800 miles. And we also did 3 live loads and 6 drops. So that's pretty good for 4 days. If I would have worked, if I do go ahead and work, it's an option I have, where I could work tomorrow as well, but I'm planning on coming back to work on Sunday. So tomorrow's Saturday and today's Friday. So if I work Saturday, then I'll work Friday, Saturday. I'll work Saturday and Sunday, so there would be no day off. And there's always money to be made. So for me, I'd rather just spend a little bit of time with the family, relax. My mental health is important, so I don't want to just stay in this truck all so long where I'm not doing anything else but working. So I'm gonna take a little break for just do a little quick reset, 34, and then get back to it on Sunday. I mean, some weeks are like this where still manage to do a lot with the time that I've been working, because last week I did I grossed $1,600, and I worked 5 days. I worked Sunday. So sometimes it's not even about how much you work, it's what you are able to do in those days. Yesterday I did a live load and a live unload, so that helped with the missed day. We made up for that missed day. So next week I'll have more content with the vlogs, but I didn't really have much vlogging content to give you guys. But we did pretty good this week. We started rough, but we finished off strong, and that's the most important thing. No matter what happens, you just want to take advantage of the opportunities and do the best that you can with what you have to deal with. But yeah, I'm gonna shut the truck down. I'm going to shut down and then start back up on Sunday, probably Sunday afternoon. Also, I don't know if whoever's into the NFL, I'm going to be watching some of the playoff games as well. The Bears play, as you guys know, I'm in Chicago. Shout out the Chicago Bears, but I'm in Chicago and they play on Sunday. So I don't know, I could always just watch it on my phone. I don't want to miss another day. But we'll see how I'm feeling, what happens. This week we had a little blizzard. The roads were pretty bad. Last night the roads were bad, and then there was also a little mini blizzard the day before. I believe that was Wednesday. Yeah, I believe that was Wednesday. The roads were also bad on Wednesday, and then they were also bad Thursday night. So, today's Friday. Today is Friday. I did work, I started on Monday, and today is Friday. So technically I did work 5 days, but today I only did an hour and a half of work. I did an hour and a half of work today, so really I don't really count today. I'll just count Monday through Thursday. So that was really 4 days. And I didn't really have enough time to get back here on Thursday. I needed an extra hour. I had 1 hour, and I did all but an hour of driving because I ran out of time. I ran out of time yesterday with the first place that I got live loaded at, Grout in Plainfield, Illinois. I went over there and it just took them forever. There was a lot of other drivers over there, and we had to wait for 3 hours. The last time I went over there, the previous time I went over there, I didn't have to wait that long, but for whatever reason, they had a lot of drivers that day yesterday, and they ate up our clock. So, it ate up our clock, and we spent 3 hours there, and we didn't have any time. That ate up a lot of my clock, so, because of that, I didn't have enough time to get back here. Normally, with the loads that I had yesterday, in a normal day when I go to and I do a live load at the recycling facilities like Grout, I would usually get back, and it'll only take like about an hour for everything from them to scale me and load me. Usually only takes an hour, but for whatever reason, it just took long. That particular day took a long time. They had a lot of drivers, so you have those type of days where the live load is a long time, and I wanted to get a live load because those pay more, so I just waited it out. Was able to do some exercising while I was waiting. So next week we'll see we'll work, see what we can do more, if we can do more, because every week I try to do better. So next week we'll look for doing better than the last week. Also get some overtime in there as well. Get some overtime in the future as well, so I can show you guys different checks and what they look like that I have here at JB Hunt. But with that being said, hope you guys have a great weekend. It's Friday, but I'll be back with more content next week and more videos, more vlogs coming. So just stay tuned. But with that, y'all, drive safe. Let's make this money, and peace.